Hi everyone! In this video, I'll talk about all my coloring tips to finish a piece, going from this to this. Let's get started. Before starting the finishing touches, this is the piece as it was, done only by manually painting colors with the brushes. All the tips following involve layer effects and blending modes. First, the background is drawn on a separate layer from the animal. This allows me to easily apply changes on the background only. In this case, I thought the background had too many colors similar to the animal, and I wanted to separate them more, by making the background a little bit cooler. There are multiple ways of achieving this effect, but I chose a color balance layer. With this effect, you can target the shadows, midtones and highlights of your painting separately and push them towards certain hues. I chose to push the shadows and midtones towards blue and cyan to have a better separation with the warm fox. Second tip will be the opposite, to integrate more the animal in its background. I want it to be separated visually, but I also want it to be believable with the current background. For this, a good tip is to include some color reflection from the environment. Here, I decided to add some light blue on the bottom of the character for the light bouncing from the floor. Additionally, painting this only on the hind legs in the back lets me add some depth to the character. Third tip will be to add a bit of color pop or glow to parts of your image that can benefit from it, but use this very sparingly. On this animal, the mane of the fur is supposed to be filled with energy and very bright. So I brushed in some colors on a layer in the Add Glow blending mode. You can also try the screen, the color dodge overlay. All of them with light colors will give different results but very vibrant and will make your image pop. Last tip I use is to put a gradient map on top of everything to make all the colors of my painting blend into each other. It helps to set a mood for the image. You can set the gradient map layer to a blending mode like color and reduce the opacity a lot. I usually go around 10 to 20%. Other blending modes like soft light or overlay can also work. They will add a bit of the color from the gradient map, but also some contrast, so beware. Before the end of this video, here's a quick word from the sponsor, which is myself. If you're looking for digital tools to elevate your creativity, improve your skills, and strengthen, check out my store. You'll find multiple brushes emulating traditional media, or even experimental brushes that produce effects unique to digital painting, photo presets, technical gradients, LUTs, seamless textures, and a lot more. All of the assets are created by me to be used in my professional workflow and are made to achieve consistent, high-quality results and happy customers. Check out my store on Gumroad or QBrush, links in the description. I hope this video helped you get some ideas about how to tweak your color and make your paintings pop. Bye everyone, and in the meantime, keep creating.